With strong bills and long sticky tongues, woodpeckers for the most part drill into tree trunks to create burrows and to collect insects, though this is not always the case. For example, the ladder-backed woodpecker lives in a treeless desert environment. With over 200 species, woodpeckers vary greatly in size, with lengths between 3 inches to nearly 2 feet. Their claws are what is called zygodactyl, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, excellent for grasping tree trunks. Woodpeckers have several predators such as tree-climbing snakes that eat their eggs, as well as coyotes and hawks. Woodpeckers do not build nests, but rather drill holes into trees or cacti. The entrance is just large enough for the adults to enter, and inside is a large cavity. Typically they are monogamous, and both parents help build their burrows and raise the young, which incubate after 13 days and are self-sufficient after another 25 days. For the most part, woodpeckers have a stable population, though a few species are in threat of extinction, mostly due to habitat loss. Generally, people view woodpeckers in a positive light, though they can cause damage to certain buildings and utility poles.